Albert Einstein once said that everything in life is vibration. But what does it mean to say that everything is vibration at the most fundamental level? Well, at the core of the universe, every atom, every cell, every star, and even our thoughts and feelings are in a state of motion. This motion generates energy or vibration. When matter vibrates, it produces energy, and this energy manifests as the physical world we see, touch, and experience. Even the things that seem solid are vibrating, although at a frequency that we can't perceive. Your thoughts, emotions, and attitudes all carry specific vibrations that influence the course of your life. If you generate positive thoughts and emotions, you create positive vibrations that attract good things into your life. The law of attraction, which you may have heard of, operates on this very principle. It says that like attracts like, high vibrations attract positive outcomes, and low vibrations attract negative ones. So, how can you raise your vibration? Here are 7 ways to raise your emotional and spiritual vibrations. 1. Gratitude. You've probably heard the saying, where focus goes, energy flows. It couldn't be truer when it comes to gratitude. The act of focusing on what you're grateful for not only pulls you out of negative emotions but also shifts your entire energetic state to a higher frequency. This isn't just a flowery spiritual concept, it's backed by science, with studies showing that practicing gratitude can have tangible health benefits, such as reducing stress and improving mental well-being. 2. Love. Love operates on an immensely powerful frequency and holds the capability to transform your life. Love is a full state of being, there's no room for negativity, worry, or fear when you're filled with love. What makes love particularly potent is that it heals. Whether it's a bad day, a broken heart, or a lifelong struggle, love has the unparalleled power to heal. It brings color to a gray world and adds flavor to life when things seem bland. 3. Generosity. When you give freely without expecting anything in return, you engage in a divine act that elevates your vibration to unparalleled heights. Generosity is an act of abundance, it's saying, I have enough to share. This shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, attracting more abundance into your life. Acts of generosity align you with your highest self, which naturally exists in a state of compassion, love, and abundance. 4. Meditation and breathwork. Meditation and breathwork serve as anchors in a busy world filled with endless to-do lists and stress. They calm your nervous system, lower stress hormones, and induce a state of peace and tranquility. The moment you feel this inner stillness, you'll notice your vibration rising. Your breath is more than just a biological function, it's a bridge between your mind, body, and spirit. Breathwork practices can change your emotional state, clear mental fog, and elevate your spiritual well-being. 5. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is an act of liberation, not just for the one forgiven, but especially for the one doing the forgiving. The act of forgiving immediately lifts your vibrational frequency. No longer weighed down by negative emotions, your spirit feels lighter, freer, and more at peace. Forgiveness is a divine quality, it aligns you with principles that govern harmony, peace, and love. 6. Surrounding with beauty. Your environment significantly influences your mental well-being. Colors, lighting, and even the arrangement of furniture can affect your mood, stress levels, and overall mental state. By intentionally creating spaces that evoke positive emotions, you raise your vibrational frequency. 7. Level relationships. Surround yourself with high vibrational individuals who inspire you, encourage you, and make your soul feel alive. Be mindful of who you let into your life, and choose people who serve your highest good. Sometimes, for your well-being, You may have to distance yourself from individuals who drain your energy or bring negativity into your life. Surrounding yourself with high vibe people can inspire you, help you grow, and make you happier. I hope this helps.